In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make a perfect loop on your videos and make it seem like it's never ending. You probably have seen this trend on TikTok, especially recently, where people go like pa, 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 and then it looks like it just never ends. This is gonna be a very quick and easy tutorial, so first up, let's get our phones. And if you want the same audio that people use for this trend, then I'm gonna be leaving the link to the audio in the description of this video. The way you film this is that you're gonna start on the side first, and you're gonna look onto your camera and be like, why are you recording? So you're gonna take your camera, put it in front of you, and then you start doing the pa, 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 pa. Allow me to demonstrate. You don't need a tripod for this. You could just put it on a table, just so I could show you guys how it's done. I'm gonna put it on a tripod. And to start recording, you're not gonna press the red button in the middle. You're going to use the timer option, which is this one right here. Click on it and press start countdown whenever you're ready. Just a few tips when you're doing this. Before the timer even runs out, make sure you're already doing this. And then look to the camera, grab the camera, put it in front of you, and start doing that until the recording ends. Now that we're done recording, it's time to edit this and make it into a perfect loop. You're gonna go into the timeline option, and you're gonna go around between 3 and 4 seconds. For me personally, I could go probably like right here. Just around 3 to 4 seconds, mainly around the 15F one or 4 in between those should be good. So I'm just gonna do mine like around here, and you're gonna click on the clip, click on split, and for this right side of the clip, you're gonna tap and hold, and you're gonna move it to the front of it. So now when you play this, you should have something like this. Cool! You just did a perfect loop. Good job. That's how the perfect loop is done. If this video helped you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials in the future. And yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay? Bye!